Hello everyone, I'm Shahir and I'll jump directly into what Luna is. Luna is sort of a co-pilot for educators, YouTubers, anyone who wants to create a course. So let's start by creating a course here, right? We can create a course on almost anything. What I'll do is I'll actually take the OpenAI Dev Day, I'll paste it here. I'll also take the real-time API documentation and place it here. And once it starts processing, once it finishes processing, I'll start creating a course. I'll say that I want, please create a single chapter course on OpenAI real-time API, right? And I think I'll add 2 languages for now. One is English. And let me also add Tamil here. So that's Tamil, right? So once the video processes, I will come back and I'll submit the course. Okay, it's done. Let's submit the course here. If I get bored, usually I would play this, but right now I'll just leave it and I'll come back again. And there you go, we have the course. But this is not completely there yet. We still have a bunch of things which are processing, like the quiz is processing, the slides are processing. So while that happens, let me show you something interesting. Right, so we're talking about the real-time API. So it gives me the opportunity to introduce something else real-time. Hey there.
Hey, how can I help you today?
Hey, what are we talking about, by the way?
We're diving into OpenAI's real-time API. Know anything about it?
I've read a bit. Can you tell me a little more?
Sure. It focuses on enabling human-like, low-latency conversations with both text and audio. Sounds interesting, right?
Yeah, it does sound interesting.
Great. What's a feature you think is crucial for seamless interactions?
I think they're using some sort of a WebSocket. Am I right?
Absolutely. Establishing a WebSocket connection is vital for real-time communication. Do you know how to connect to OpenAI's real-time API?
Not yet. I don't think I've got access yet. I will be trying it out soon.
When you try it out, remember to use the specific URL and proper authentication headers. Want to guess what the WebSocket URL might look like?
Not now. We will talk about this later. Thank you.
No problem. Feel free to ask anytime. Happy learning.
So that is Luna. So essentially, when you create a course, every student, every learner gets his or her own AI assistant who can help them with the course. So let's say I go through the lesson here, right? I can go through the entire lesson, see even if there is code, it's there. And, like I could do a quiz. Quiz is still under construction, but let's see if it works properly. It's not yet there. We'll come back to it later. And yeah, so apart from that, we also have other languages. Like, remember we added Tamil. So let's see how Tamil has come out. Okay, my Tamil reading skills is not that great, but I think I could say something like OpenAI in real-time API or Alamana. Yeah, I think I'll stop with my Tamil conversation there. So yes, similarly, we also have quizzes in Tamil, and the slides are also in Tamil. Slides are I still have to do a little bit more work there, but let's wait a little more to see how the slides come up. I will pause here and come back when the slides are ready. Okay, looks like the
Welcome
slides are
everyone to our deep dive into OpenAI's real-time API. In this session, we'll explore the core functionalities and applications of this powerful tool, which is designed to enhance real-time conversational experiences.
ready. Okay, for those who don't know, I'm using Google's new Journey voice here. It's actually pretty interesting.
Let the journey begin.
Like I said, I still have to do a little bit of work there. You have the steps here and the code. Okay, let's go through each one of these.
Let's delve deeper into some key concepts. A session represents a single WebSocket connection, serving as the foundation for your interactions. Within a session, you'll have conversations, a series of items, such as messages and function calls. These items are crucial as they define the flow of interaction. Additionally, there's the input audio buffer, which temporarily stores audio inputs before processing. Understanding these concepts is vital for effectively utilizing the API. The process begins with sending events, where you construct JSON payloads to initiate conversations. This allows you to specify the type of interaction you wish to have with the API.
Okay, I'll stop it here and let me go back and check if I can see the quiz. No, the quiz is not ready, so it's fine. I think, yep, that is where I end my presentation for today. I hope to work more on this.
Welcome everyone to our deep dive into
this later. And oh yeah, one more thing. You could also change your themes if you want. Let's say you want nature color, you want vintage. So we have multiple options there, right? And I guess that's the end of my presentation for the day. And nice to meet you all. Adios.